So we took a bus from Macedonia that lasted a lot longer than it should have, all the way to Tirana, Albania, and then we hopped on a taxi all the way to Berat. We are here. Today is a brand new day and we are going canyoning. Not to be mistaken with the whole grappling thing. This is a beginner course so that Kinsey could tag along. We're going to explore some beautiful canyons and dive in the water.
Well, this is essentially why we came to Berat, so we're excited. Checked in and now we wait.
Let's go. Looks like there wasn't enough room on this van, so maybe they'll give it another. They were trying to figure it out and do some counting, but we are starting off with an hour drive and then getting a coffee break, and then we're going to do the canyon first and then the waterfall because of the storm yesterday. So
We're excited. It's so hot.
we're here. Let's go. We just went through a super fast process of getting fitted for our shoes and our life jackets and helmets. It is so hot. Everybody's sweating. It's like a stink box up in here. But it's only a couple minutes to the canyon and then we'll get cooled down in the water. I feel like I jumped in the water without actually ever jumping in the water.
It's really dripping sweat. It's disgusting.
Let's get this heat box. Switch into the GoPro and we'll go.
I'm ready to jump off on this all the time. I'm not ready to jump.
You ready to jump? We're gonna jump. Look this. Nice job! High five! That was a Shamu spread. Shamu! Can't believe you did that. That was a high one. Point at the moon. Get out of here. Let go of me.
A classic Kinsey girl.
Scene. The fun has arrived. This is their last time in the water and then lunch. I'm so hungry.
So we were greeted with lunch. Seems like a somewhat basic spread, although the sausage is really good. Some of the grilled vegetables, it looks like zucchini and peppers, taters, some like little sour cream dip. It was really good. Yogurt sauce. It's a yogurt dip that was really good. And a plate of vegetables and bread. Overall, I think anything at this point is going to be delicious because we're all starving. We're going to finish chowing down and then off to the waterfalls. A gazoo or azul? Just like last time, yeah, but I handled it better this time. While you all went to the viewpoint, we brought some rakia.
Are you ready? What?
Yeah.
I thought you said
Me
you
and I
were
cheered.
drinking it. Oh, I didn't take that like a trip. I'm pretty sure the shot was straight rubbing alcohol. Nothing else. Just rubbing alcohol.
She was struggling. I handled it like a champ, but
I don't think I was mentally prepared for it. And then everyone was taking the shots. I was like, oh, well, it's already in my mouth. And then it started burning.
she's not good at shots, but it was fun to watch. Let's watch it again.
So refreshing, that rubbing alcohol.
I found the dog in Albania. Oh my god.
I'm cheating on Milo.
I am.
Give us a taste.
Huh?
We're doing a cold plunge today. Oh man. Oh.
I'm ready.
You're not going? Come on. Woo. Cold plunge. I'm getting out. It's cold. Oh, it's cold.
I couldn't do it. It's like ice water.
I will say that once you do it, you start to numb. Just like whenever we were doing the fissure in Iceland, you numb after a while and you don't feel it. So my legs are in the water right now, and I'm perfectly fine because they're basically numb.
I don't know if that's a good thing.
Probably not, but I told Kinsey to get out because she's gonna keep playing. I said, you're gonna get hypothermia. I said, get out. You gotta take the plunge, you gotta go in, because once you go over that ledge there, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. Huh?
How do you feel after that?
I don't know. I'm trying to feel good.
Frosting?
Huh?
Frosting?
Yeah, you get numbed after a while. Kinsey and I were one of the very few that managed to plunge in and go all the way into the center. And I can't believe she followed me. Kinsey Crazy McLean. That was quite the experience. It was a beautiful waterfall, super cold, worth it to plunge. But I think from here we're just heading back to the city and we're gonna call it a night.
Who am I?
Let me take a wild guess. She's Kinsey.
We are on our way back from the canyoning tour, and it starts raining. It's stormy, really bad, and we're currently all. Oh, they got it! A big old tree fell on the road. They were pulling it out of the way with the car. It looks like they were successful.
Yeah, storms are no joke here.